What is good, guys? It's DSG Panther here, back on our video. Today, guys, we are putting some awesome little black badges on the GTI today because this car looks horrible with the chrome stuff. So we're going to go and get it off. It's chucking it down outside, but I'm going to do this video for you guys in the rain. So yeah, let's get into it. Before we actually get into it, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get getting the views up. The last video went mental with the Polo, so yeah, let's get into it. So yeah, we're going to hop into the boot and yeah, let's go and have a look at the badges that we've got that we're going to put on. We're going to get out in the rain. As you can see, the commitment I have to the videos, guys, is unreal. Yeah. So if we come to the boot, open this up. As you can see here, we have two Volkswagen black badges. This one, the bigger one goes on the front, and then the other one goes on the back. This one goes on the front, the smaller one goes on the back from where the boot opens up. So yeah, let's get into this quickly. I'm going to do a quick before and after because it's chucking it down. And yeah, so let's get into it. Okay, guys, so this is before, and then now we're gonna go into after. So, and this is after. Honestly, this is so much better on the back. It actually looks so sick, like all blacked out. Like, oh my god! Now let's go and look at the front. So, guys, this is before, and this is after. That is after. Honestly, this car looks so much more aggressive, all blacked out. I actually don't even understand. This car needs to be blacked out. So I'm also going with the all murdered out look. I'm going to have some black badges coming from the GTI ones as well. But honestly, this car is turning into a bit of a beast, you know, I can't lie. A car meet with RC Car Meets, and we're going to go see what it's like. Don't know how long this video is going to be, but we're going to drive there, get my boys, then we're going to go there, get some clips of it. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. And there you go, guys. Hey, shoot, we'll get into it. And also, big collab coming soon. Don't want to say with who, but we've got a big collab coming soon, so stay tuned, stay tuned. But yeah, let's get into it. That thing's quick though, isn't it? I'm filming this at home. I literally just got in and I'm shattered. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this content. I will do way more of these videos if this gets really good views and likes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.